So when I took this apart quite a long time ago, I did have the foresight to take a picture of how this was connected, but I've since then lost that picture. So now I have to figure out, which leads go where. Usually when you're putting the tool back together, there's enough clues and evidence that you can figure it out without going to a manual. So if we look here, so this black one is obviously the lead with that blew up, so we know that one goes there. And then we have two leads of different sizes. So I'm going to guess that this larger lead goes to the larger pin, and the smaller one goes to the smaller pin. And we'll see if that works. Now when I was looking for this replacement part in the Makita catalog, they didn't actually have this transistor, so I ordered it from DigiKey. It's the first time I've ordered something from DigiKey, and it's a little bit hilarious. Here is the box. Let's see what's inside. Look at that packing slip. Holy shit. Wow. Oh, there it is. It is somewhere in there. This is the most thoroughly packed thing I've ever ordered. Okay, this is ridiculous. That's number 3. Oh, here we go. Right arm. Let's compare the two. IR FP458. Well, the numbers aren't all the same, so we'll find out whether it's the right thing. So this might be complete overkill, but this big copper part here is obviously heatsink, so we want a nice thermal connection between our new part and the heatsink. So I'll clean this up with acetone. And I happen to have, again, this is probably complete overkill. I happen to have some CPU paste here. Just smear some on there. There we go. And on she goes. Nice and snug. Sweet. So I'm looking at this, and I'm looking at how they wired, or how they soldered onto this transistor, and they've used shrink tubing to protect the joint. So let's get this all ready to go. This might be a case for old Pinchy here. Oh yeah. There we go. Alright, so we gotta tweak this a bit. The shrink tube on the blue wire was actually too high, and the heat from the copper inside the wire already shrunk it, so we gotta take that off. I think a bigger tube would be better anyway. All right. Now this gets installed like so. Cables. There we go. This even makes sense from a cable management perspective here. The order that I guessed this thing should be wired up in. That gives me some confidence. I hope to God I don't snap that off. That's pretty dodgy. Gotta get it inside the housing. Alright. Let's put her back together. Alright, moment of truth. Alright, there we go. That's a Makita cordless drill repair.